Hi, good afternoon. My name is Shashi Kumar. I work in HAL and I have taken part in the soldering technique course from 24th to 25th of this year, 2025. A special I would like to thank NSTI and my organization for giving me this opportunity. Especially a special thanks to our madam who was so supportive and informative out of a busy schedule, busy and tight schedule. She was there with us all through this and made it a grand success. So we learned many things, especially the basics, which sometimes we neglect. The basic techniques, which are the foundation of anything, any technology or anything we do. But we learned it thoroughly, which madam was very supportive with every materials as well as the technology as well as the hands-on experience which she gave us. So I thank once again everybody, the coordinating team as well as the trainees. Thank you very much.
I am Manjape, working in Final Assembly, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, MRO division. So, ನಾವು ಮೊದಲೇ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಿಂತನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ಡರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಪೂಜಾ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಏನಂದರೆ AY technology in inspection of soldering, that is a very useful course for us. So thank you.